So here we go again. Austin wants another scoop, so I thought I'd find a different one this time. It's the third one now I've printed for him, and we're going to go in silver this time, not black, just for a bit of a change. Changed it up a bit, increased some speeds there, 100s, 80, and overall speed at 100, so it could be a massive flop. Who knows, it's part of the learning curve. So let's print, and I'll sit around myself and see whether or not it adheres to the bed. If it does, I'm then going to leave it to it. Might get a couple of little snips over the next couple of hours while I'm still awake. Could even set it for a time lapse overnight on charge. Might have a look into that, make this a long video. So yeah, helps if I click print, doesn't it, normally? What do you all think? Comment below. So yeah, wicked. Like I say, I won't bore you with waiting for my machine to heat up, so bye for now. Well, I know it said it was going to take a long time, and it was using a lot of filament, but like it shows on the screen, it is 37 metres. Yeah, that's big. That's going to be awesome. Looking forward to seeing what this one's going to be like, and how much fun the supports are to take out. Seems to be sticking quite well so far. I think the rest of this area is probably just going to be supports, maybe to start with. We'll see in a second. There we go, supports, look. So I think this is the longest print I've ever done. Yeah, it's an excavator scoop for my little lad's Lego. So yeah, not the cleanest. I don't know if the supports will hold further up, but we shall see. Not going to cancel it, just going to let it run. See you in the morning. So it's the next day, and oh my god, it actually worked, and it is blooming mahoosive. It's done. What is it, Austin? Is it a new scoop? A scoop for your Lego. It's blooming huge scoop. Let's see if it, oh, nice and easy off the bed. It's like, that's the infill that side. Well, not the infill, sorry, the support. Try and get that massive load of infill out. But yeah, wow, that's impressive. we'll get to trimming it all back now. Try and turn it around. One scoop. Just need all the supports taken off and then it's done. It looks like Monkey Man's already took it. Gone. Not even got time to take the supports off. So there we have it. The vast majority of the supports are removed. Just needs a bit of a sand in places to bring it nice and smooth, like on that side. But yeah, I'm impressed with that. It's the longest print I've ever done. It's you know, it's reasonable. All the supports came off very easily. Like I say, there's a little bit on the inside edges, but the outer edges are nice and smooth as well. Yeah, I'm quite impressed with that one. Anyway, if you enjoyed it, like, share, subscribe and all that jazz, and bye for now.